Oh, you kids.
They were only a couple days old at that time. There were three: Catherine, Elena, and Stefan. They tried to reunite with the mother, but they had no luck.
Hey, Stefan. Hi.
The only boy, Stefan, he was a little bit worse off than the other two. He had quite a lump on his chest, and I was worried that he wasn't going to fully recover, but he was a little champ.
The world's tiniest complainer. All right. Back to bed with you. That's it. That's it, little boy. Well done. Let go. That's a pretty good grip that a little 6-gram baby has.
As babies, I believe that the nurturing is very important. They need the touch, they need warmth, they need to hear my voice.
Goodness, oh my goodness. Big stretch. Oh, kiddo. Stefan, what are you doing? Are you eating my blanket? Hey? What are you doing, buddy?
His appetite was great and he was gaining weight.
Aw, those little paws, baby boy. You're getting so big.
And I just knew he was going to be okay. When they open their eyes, I'm very happy. I'm very excited.
Cow. Oh, hi, little buddy. Is that your eyes is opening and you're checking out the world? I'm so proud of you, little buddy. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hello. Did everybody have a good sleep?
Once they open their eyes, they have such distinctive personalities. Catherine was the first to try everything.
You have to be first all the time, don't you? Hey?
Elena, she was the gentle soul. She loved cuddles and tummy tickles.
In classic chipmunk style, I thought I would introduce a piece of food. And Elena has just shoved an entire little snowball into her cheeks, into her fat little cheeks.
And then little Stefan, he was very shy.
Leave me alone, Mumsy.
When they reach a certain age, they need a special area.
Hey, kids, are you ready for your first permit? Hey, oh, you're just gonna chew on my finger. Okay. Are you ready? Here you go. You're growing up too fast. It's time for them to learn to be independent. So they have this nice age where they're gonna learn to explore and climb and hide.
Once they can, all the things that they would need to do outside, then I just know they're ready.
Very big day here for my chippies. They've been outside for a couple weeks now, getting used to the weather, and now it's time for them to head out on their own. They're gonna stay right here on the property so that I can watch over them. You ready, kids? Hey? Hi! Go, buddy, go! Go! Oh! There goes Stefan. They're a little bit more hesitant. Come on, kids. Come on. Let's do it this way. Oh, there you go. There you go. Off you go, kiddos.
The end goal is to get them back to where they're supposed to be and live a good, happy, healthy life. And they're doing that. I have the holes in my garden to prove it.